Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showcasing this unit from the Stylist collection, which is sold exclusively at SamsBeauty.com. If you are interested in checking out this wig or Sam's Beauty, I will have a direct link to them in my description box. So the name of this wig is called Bella. I have it in the color Balayage Caramel, and it is absolutely gorgeous. This wig does come with two different lace options. Yes, two different lace options. You can choose transparent, or you can choose the color that I got, which is light brown, which can definitely work for anyone of color. So I'm going to start off by showing you guys a quick demo of how I adhered this wig down. I did not adhere it fully down. I kind of just stuck to using the got to be glued on the side of my hair, which would show the hairline the most. So now I'm just going to add one little swoop of baby hair so my hairline could look as natural as possible. I wanted you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side. If you down to live on my side. All I need is you if you down to ride. When I look at you, guess I got a time. Yeah, I've made it. So this is my this don't make no sense little dance. The hairline, the lace parting. They did that with this wig. Once again, the stylist has impressed me. Now, let's talk a little bit more about the color of this wig. So, as you can see, this color definitely may not be for everyone. You're getting like a gradual effect from like a 1B, 2 dark color root to like a soft kind of chestnut auburnish brown, and then you have some more like honey blonde highlights, which I think is perfect for this time of year. I actually love playing in color, and this one really did it for me. However, I know this wig would look amazing in a natural color, right? So I'm just going and switching the part to a more deep side part. Once again, you can part this wig in several different options, so you can do a middle part, a left part, or a right part, whatever floats your boat. I'm going in and doing my little infamous sideburns. As you guys can see, I just love how it frames my face. So let's talk about the layers. You see that body? Like, the layers are everything. I absolutely love the way they styled this unit. Now, if this length is too much for you, you can go in and trim it, because I feel like this wig will look beautiful cut up. I decided to add a little bit of pressed powder, so of course I can make the parting space blend in better, since I did have a lighter wig cap underneath it, and it does help make the hairline blend in better. But being that I was able to select the lace color that suited my skin complexion, I really didn't have to do that if I didn't want to. Oh my gosh, I love that you get two different lace options. That really sold me with this unit. So I'm standing up so you guys can see how this wig is falling on me. I would say it's about 22 inches on me, and I am 5'2". Now let's get into the meat and potatoes. The cap construction is a medium to large fit, so anyone could wear this unit. The density on this wig is about maybe 130% density. Is very natural and lightweight. The texture is more of like a light yaki / silk texture, and I did not get a lot of initial shedding. I did get some tangling. Oh, and you guys see how you can manipulate the curls? Yes, this wig is a winner. So if you are interested in checking out this wig, she's definitely OhSo approved. I will leave a direct link once again to Sam's Beauty in my description box. Be sure to check there. Let me know how you feel about this wig. Have you tried it? Have you tried any units from the Stylist collection? And I'll catch you guys on my next video.